You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, more confusing things about English, more English, stay tuned, there are more videos for you. There are two different pronunciations of this word, and that depends whether you use it as a verb or as a noun. So if it's a verb, as in he uses a lot of slang, for example, uses, you've heard it, it's pronounced with Z sounds, S sounds, Z sounds, Z sounds. Uses. He uses color in his paintings. Uses, alright? Uses. Now, if it's a noun, like I have different uses. Uses, yes, with an S sound. I have different uses of English. Uses. Like I have different uses for my hammer, for example. Uses, that's the plural of the noun use, like the use of English, the use of a tool, the use of a car, use. Alright? So, uses is one way of pronouncing it, or uses is another pronunciation of the same or a different word. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.